For millennia, humans have looked to the stars with awe and reverence, their ancient twinkling lights symbolizing the vast unknown. But these celestial bodies are far more than just mesmerizing spectacles, they hold the key to understanding the very fabric of our universe. They're capable of producing elements heavier than any found on Earth, through a process called the R process, rapid neutron capture process, where atomic nuclei capture a rapid stream of neutrons, building massive, metallic elements. These conditions are typically found only in the immediate aftermath of a supernova or the collision of neutron stars. But now, a new study reveals that ancient stars join the ranks of these cosmic element factories. This discovery rewrites the history of element formation and opens new doors for understanding the universe's evolution. This discovery has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It reveals the dynamic nature of stars, their ability to create the very building blocks of planets and life itself. Furthermore, it challenges our previous assumptions about the abundance of heavy elements in the cosmos, suggesting a much richer and more diverse universe than we previously imagined.